beauties, welcome back to my channel. If anybody who's watching me for the first time, my name is Bhumika. So in this video today I'm going to share my simple tips and tricks regarding how to apply a perfect eyeliner. But before starting off, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update whenever I post a new video. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Now without further delay, let's get straight into the video. So for this video, I'm using this felt tip liquid eyeliner, which I think is perfect for beginners as it is easy and convenient to use, sturdy at the same time, and the product dispenses evenly on the eyelids. So my first tip is to always start with the middle of the eye, which leads to the less chances of messing it up, and also you know with how much thickness you want to go with the liner. The shaky hand is a real struggle if you are applying an eyeliner. So always rest your hand on flat surface or rest your pinky finger on your cheeks so your hand gets stable while you applying an eyeliner. Now the third tip is to always use short strokes to build the eyeliner, which will help you to draw an even line and helps in avoiding any sort of mistakes. My fourth tip is to go as close as possible to the lash line, which firstly will give you no gaps between the eyeliner and lash line. Secondly, you know how much thickness you want to increase further. Now as I am adding a small wing to my eyeliner, so I'm drawing a diagonal line coming off of the outer corner of the eye and then finally joining it with the outer layer of my eyeliner. Now the fifth and the last tip is to always tideline your eyes, which means putting eyeliner beneath your lash line, which leads to a fuller eyeliner effect with no space between the eyeliner and the lash line. And this is the final look. If you guys find these tips helpful, then don't forget to like this video and also to share it with your friends and family. And also if you try these tips, then don't forget to tag me on your Instagram. All the social media handles are listed down below. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, do take care of yourself. Bye.